I'd like to review April 25th's trade recommendations for the Treasury note 10-year. And we came into this morning wanting to be long. Thought the auctions went well. The E-mini was selling. We would be more aggressive on the buy side than if it was just moving sideways or higher. But we did like the long side first. And again, it's not too difficult to make these calls. Got a P based on Thursday's auction and the overnight session volume-wise. You can see that the volume's in the top end of this distribution. We have another P. So we entered this morning wanting to buy 124.03s to 123.31s. And the lowest 124.01. The first sell was 7 to 11, and I thought there was pretty good resistance from 8 to 12, so we came inside of it, and you can see that we had a high of 10. Again, a pretty accurate call, got the direction right, spot on the levels, and it produced profitable trades for our members. How do you take a trade? Want to buy 124.03s to 123.31s. We have specific trade setups based on methodologies that have been proven over a long period of time, since 1988. Our first trade setup that we really like is a retest failure, and we lean against pivot lows, and over here there was a pivot low from 3:11 in the morning. Right here, if you didn't have a resting limit buy at 01 or at 02 or 03 when you took out this bar's high, you were long at 2.5, and the market traded up to retest this high right here and was a winner. You're long at 2.5. The market traded to 6.5. You had a shot at 2 to 3/30 seconds, which is what we expect off of our trade recommendations in the note. The market corrects. You can see right here we have another retest failure. If you didn't take the trade at the mean green line, which is a trade we like, which would have had you long at 4, then when you took out this bar's high right here, you'd be long at 4.5, and the market subsequently traded up to 10 for another winner. So the trade that we recommended this morning, the buy area, all worked, and it produced the winners as envisioned. Nice trading for the note. If you'd taken the low end of the trading, you'd have gotten 4:30 seconds. If you'd taken the top end, maxed out on the trade, you would have gotten 3 plus 4.5 to 10. That would be 5, so you would have had 8:30 seconds. Either one of them is pretty good trading for the note, and most people would fall somewhere in between. Looking forward to seeing some of you in the room in the not-so-distant future. Good trading.